In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a task in ClickUp. If you're looking to streamline your workflow by efficiently copying tasks without starting from scratch, you've come to the right place. We'll dive into the simple steps to manually duplicate a single task. By the end of this guide, you'll be duplicating tasks with ease and tailoring them to perfectly fit your project's needs. To begin duplicating a task, first, open the task you want to replicate. This is your initial step, and it's crucial. Once you have the task open, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here, you'll find the ellipsis menu, often represented by 3 horizontal dots. This menu hosts a variety of options and is your gateway to duplicating the task. Click on the ellipsis menu. This brings up a drop-down menu with various options that you can take further action with. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Duplicate. Go ahead and select it. This action is pivotal as it triggers the duplication process. Once you've selected Duplicate, you'll be offered choices to customize your duplicated task. This is where ClickUp shines in flexibility. You'll be prompted with options to choose which elements you want to copy over to the new task. You can include subtasks to ensure that the duplicated task has all the finer details of your project. If multiple people are involved, carrying over assignees is a great way to maintain team coordination. Attachments and comments are also optional to duplicate, so you can keep important files and discussions intact if necessary. After selecting your desired elements to copy, it's time to proceed to the final step by clicking Create. At this point, ClickUp will generate your duplicated task, placing it in the same list or location as the original. This means you don't have to worry about losing sight of it in your workspace. Remember that these customization options are there to let you decide what elements are essential to keep or omit. If you're duplicating a complex task with various layers of information, consider including as much detail as needed. Conversely, for tasks that only require minimal duplication, you might choose to carry over only the essentials. By following these instructions, you'll now be able to duplicate tasks as needed, all while customizing them to suit your specific project demands. The ability to duplicate tasks not only saves you time, but ensures consistency and accuracy across your workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and happy task duplicating in